Hey guys, Spencer Kaufman here. Today we are going through a product or a Google Chrome extension called Post Partner. This is a Facebook virtual assistant that will help you post to multiple Facebook groups on autopilot. It will post for you. So far, if you've been with us, if you haven't been with us, check out the playlist up here. We've been going through each of the little icons for Post Partner. This is a Google Chrome extension. This is the first time I'm going through. We've downloaded the extension or installed the extension to Chrome. Very, very simple, easy. We've got the calendar view here where if you schedule posts, I presume they will show up here. We've gone through link categories. There are some things in here that hopefully by the time you watch this video, they will be updated because the creator will watch these videos and say, all right, I'm going to change that, I'm going to change this. So what I would say is this says link categories. This should really say group categories, because what we found out, if you watched the previous video, it was kind of left us all dumbfounded. You probably watched it and was like, what in the world is he doing? But that was this spot, which is post types, where you really couldn't do anything. If you want to watch that video, it'll be in a card right here. It's a short video. Most people are probably going to skip it because it really didn't show anything. Now, what we did do, a productive video, was this one, which is Facebook links. This should say Facebook groups. I suppose it's links because each group has a unique URL. So you can watch how we populated all of these in a card right here with this video. But basically, the Create New button, it is, as we suspected, you put the URL of the Facebook group, you'd put the title of your Facebook group, and you'd put what category you want it to be saved in, and it will be saved for you. Now, you may say, wait a minute, how do I get all of these that I uploaded or that I imported auto-fetch into this database? How do I get them in some of those categories we created? Well, after you auto-fetch all of your groups, again, this bothers me. We have 360, but we can only see 1 to 5. This should be able to scroll so I can view them all without having to go through 72 pages to do this. But maybe it doesn't even matter. Let's just see what we're doing. So this is how to categorize your Facebook groups that you imported into the categories that you created. Again, these terms are confusing, so it's kind of difficult, but we imported our groups and we have already created the categories. You can watch those videos in the playlist. Now we are going to put certain groups into certain categories, and it's add links to category. Opens up a new tab, and you can see here we've got 1 of 20. So we can see 20 now, but again, we should be able to see more. Anyway, 1 of 20, select a category. Let's do book and ebook. And now let's click on these. Okay, so we can click on one at a time. Try holding down Command. Okay, we can hold down Command or Control to select the books. Let's just start selecting books. I know I'm a member of over 100 different book promotion groups. So let's see. Book promotions. There we go. Now, this will be the test. Let's see if we can go to the next page and if these are still highlighted. So right now it says we have 13 selected. If I go to page 2, we lose them. So you got to do each one individually. That's a good test. See, again, this is the first time I've gone through this. So now you know when you're doing it what to do and what not to do. That'll help you out, make it go a little smoother. But let's see. We're going to select all of these books. Okay, 12. Where's the 13th? I'm missing one right there. All right. Add or remove from categories. So let's hit that button. Successful. All right, I'm not going to bore you by going through 18 pages one by one, but now look at here. It's got current category. It tells us what they're in. So that's pretty handy. I really, really like that feature. Now you can see where these are, and then if you hit that, it'll remove it probably, so we're not going to do that. Let's go back to the plugin or the extension, and we're in categories. So, all right, this is my groups. These are the post types. We did videos on these. Content library and scheduled posts. So the next thing we're going to do is take care of these two together. So hit that like button down below, like this video, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay tuned to future videos, because the next thing we're going to do is go through this content library and scheduled posts. That'll be in the same video, because I imagine that as you schedule a post, it'll show up in the content library. In my opinion, these two should be switched around so that you schedule your post first, then it would show up in your content library and you would see it. That's just a suggestion that I have based on using the program. By the time you get it, hopefully that will be changed. So again, hit that bell icon below to stay tuned to future videos. And I hope you're following the playlist. We've been going through this. I know there have been some quirks, some little issues, but so far, if it works, it seems like this is going to be an excellent product that I'm really going to enjoy using, and I hope you will too. You can get it in a link in the description below. And also, I really hope that you like the Internet Hustler YouTube channel. Hit the subscribe button, help us out, hit the bell icon, help us out, like our videos, share our content, and if you really like it, send a tip to support this channel. It would really, really help me continue doing what I'm doing to help you guys find the greatest products to make your life easier. Thank you. Until next time.